Good evening, friends, and good wishes to my students. Today, I would like to explain success through self confidence to my students. So, my dear young students, what do you mean by success? And what do you mean by self confidence? How to acquire, how to achieve your success through self confidence. So remember, people define self confidence in different ways. Somebody say whatever you want, if you can get it, we can call it as a success. Somebody say success means you are in happy mood. That may be the success. Somebody say progressive realization of worthy goals is known as success. I prefer this. So that is progressive realization of worthy goals may be described as success. That is, you have to set worthy goals in your career, achieve one after another, that we call it as a success. So first and foremost thing is setting a goal. If you want to get a success in your career and your life, that goal should also be a worthy one. And remember, low aim is a crime. So getting pass marks in all subjects is not a worthy goal. Getting top marks, getting 100% in all subjects should be your goal. That should be your motto. That should be your purpose. That is known as worthy goal. So setting a worthy goal should be your first thing in order to get the success. Okay? And to set a goal, you must have a desire. You must have a passion. You must have a burning desire. See, I want to become a doctor. That is my passion. That is my life's ambition. In order to become a doctor, you will have to study MBBS. In order to study MBBS, you will have to get an admission in it. For getting admission in MBBS, you must be thorough in all subjects in intermediate. And you must face NEET examination very well. You must get good rank in the NEET examination. So, your immediate goal should be to learn subjects in intermediate and to get maximum marks in the NEET examination. That will give you good rank, that makes you to get an admission in MBBS. That should be a worthy goal. So to set a worthy goal, what you need is having a belief in your capabilities. Having a belief in our capabilities, what we call it as having a belief in our capabilities, what we call it as a self-confidence. The first and foremost thing is having a belief in our capabilities, what we call it as self-confidence. Having a belief. See, the first and foremost thing to achieve success is having self-confidence. That's why once Swami Vivekananda said, if you look at the history of this world is nothing but history of the people having self-confidence only. Lot of people are being born and are also being dying. But history remembers the people who are having self-confidence only. The first and foremost thing my students must remember, they should have self-confidence. What is it? What do you mean by self-confidence? A feeling of trust in one's abilities, qualities and judgment. You should have a trust. You should have a belief in your capability. So that self-confidence determines you what you could achieve in our life. That is very important. So, and remember, self-confidence is the foundation for success. So, but self-confidence is a acquired right. You can't get that skill by birth. So self-confidence is an acquired trait. It's an acquired skill. How to develop self-confidence? Why we are lacking self-confidence? And first thing is, when we think negatively, and that causes the lowering of your confidence levels, that makes you not to be the self-confidence. See, when a teacher asked you to do something, if you start thinking, oh, it may not be possible for me, I can't do it, so that is a negative thinking. That will lower your confidence levels. Don't think negatively. And negative thinking hampers self-confidence. Negative thinking blocks the development of self-confidence. Oh, doesn't matter. I can do it. I have enough ability. I have potential energy. I can do it. That's why teacher has asked me to do this problem. So that type of positive thinking you should get. I mean, you should convert your negative thoughts into positive thoughts. Your negative thoughts into positive thoughts is the first thing. Then second thing, always avoid self-doubting. That's what I told. So, and if you are doubting your capabilities, if you are doubting your talents, if you are doubting your skills, you can't do anything. You can't achieve anything in your life. Always stop doubting about you. And the next thing is fear of failure. No, if I take this project, I may not do it, and people will laugh at me. I may be shamed, and stop this type of thinking. And eliminate fear of failure from the neurons of your brain. So you are a unique person. You have the ability. You are not inferior to anybody. You are equally competent to get what you want in your life. Such a potential energy you have. Such a tremendous energy levels you have. Why do you doubt? Why do you fear of failure? Why don't you think about success? Visualize how people will appreciate you when you get success. Visualize how much happiness you will derive by getting success. Visualize how wonderful you are when you achieve success. So that is the first and foremost thing is then the next one is so developing self-confidence. So always appear as a good person, and because always try to smile, because smile will always makes you to think positively. When positive thinking, optimism or positive thinking improves your self-confidence. And so praise yourself when you achieve smaller goals, and you divide your goals into smaller steps, achieve one after another one, and appreciate yourself, praise yourself. And when you achieve smaller goals, and that is one point. Always try to avoid the company of negative thinkers. There are certain people who always think negatively, who always criticizes, who always discourages, and they all are helpful to lower our self-confidence. They are not our supporters. They don't help us to improve our self-confidence. In fact, they are the people who are lowering our self-confidence. So eliminate them. So then, as I told you, the next one is like this, and you can develop your self-confidence. So, and do exercise, and so every day that makes you physically well. So what more? So like this, you can develop self-confidence. and so that self confidence makes you to get what you want in life. This is uh, this is what I want to convey to you, and wish you all success. Shubham Bhuyat. Namaskar.